Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, children. Good morning. Can you hear me? Am I audible?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. How are you? How are you people? Fine.
Excellent.
Okay. Sorry, I could not take your classes because we had board practicals. So I was out taking board practicals. That is why I could not take your classes. Okay. Now we'll regularly take classes. Okay, Peter ji? Ready? Should we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Should we start? Chalo. We are going to start with a new chapter, ecosystem today. Very, very easy chapter. I hope you have your notebooks with you. You have your notebooks with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, beta. चलो शुरू करते हैं. Write the name of the chapter ecosystem. ज्यादा नहीं लिखना है, बहुत कम लिखेंगे. So please write quickly. The name of the chapter is ecosystem. Written? Who gave this word ecosystem? Who coined this term ecosystem? Does anybody know the name of the person? Tell me very quickly. Does anybody know the name of the person who coined the term ecosystem? Nobody? Chalo, never mind. I'll take it. It's A.G. Tansley. Come on, repeat the name after me. Tell me the name of the person who coined the term ecosystem. Speak out, data. A.G. Tansley. The name of the person who coined the term ecosystem is A.G. Tansley. Please write down.
Ma'am, please repeat the name.
नहीं मैथ्स क्लास है सर आपकी नहीं हो सकता है कुछ कंफ्यूजन आप जो saying who coined the term A.G. Tansley and the year was 1935. Tell me the year very quickly. ऐसे नहीं हो जाएगा बेटा until and unless you people don't speak. How will I teach? A.G. Tansley, the year was 1935. बोलो जल्दी से. Which year it was? 1935. 1935. So we're just writing the main things. Who coined the term? You only have to tell me. Vijay बताइए. What is it? Name of the person who coined the term. एक चीज को इतनी बार कर रहे हैं. बोलिए बेटा.
A.G. Tansley.
Very good. Now let's move on to the word ecosystem. Tell me what is an ecosystem? You've done it in junior classes as well. Jaldi करेंगे. This is again general chapter. Tell me, it's an interaction system. Interaction between what? Interaction between biotic, abiotic, or biotic, or abiotic, abiotic. Tell me very quickly, what is the interaction about?
Please repeat the question.
Tell me very quickly. Ecosystem is an interaction between biotic, abiotic, or abiotic, abiotic. Biotic and abiotic. Very good. Now, what are the types of ecosystems? How many types of ecosystems do you know? How many types of ecosystem are there? Beta, we have natural ecosystems and we've got artificial ecosystems. When I say artificial ecosystem, you've all seen aquariums. You've seen aquariums, botanical gardens, aquariums. These are all examples of what? These are all examples of artificial ecosystems. Very good. And natural ecosystems, you know, I'm talking about a pond, I'm talking about a forest. These are all natural ecosystems. So what are the two major categories of ecosystems? Tell me quickly.
Artificial ecosystems and natural ecosystems.
Very good. Only one child is speaking. Artificial and natural. Now, natural. Very good. Natural ecosystems are again of two types: terrestrial ecosystems and aquatic ecosystems. When I say terrestrial ecosystem, what do I mean, beta?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Forest.
Ma'am, join Srishti. She is waiting in.
Beta, she should come on time. After 5 minutes, the meeting gets stopped. Even if I want, I cannot make her join. The meeting gets logged automatically. This system has come up now. We cannot make anybody join after 5 minutes. The meeting gets logged at 8:15. The class started at what time, beta? 8:10. Was she there in the meeting? Was she there earlier? The office is operating now. Anyways, I'll try and message the office people. But let me see if they join or not. I'll have to message them. Okay? Yes. What are the two types of ecosystem we were discussing about?
Natural.
And artificial.
Yes, natural and artificial. What are the two types of natural ecosystems? I just now told you terrestrial and aquatic. Give me an example of a terrestrial ecosystem. Jaldi jaldi. Itni slow nahi.
Forest.
Yes, it is forest. And give me an example of an aquatic ecosystem.
Bonds.
Pond, lake.
Ponds, lakes, rivers. Right. This is an aquatic ecosystem. Good. You told me the interaction is between which companies? Biotic, abiotic, or biotic, biotic?
Ma'am, biotic.
Biotic, biotic. Not
Biotic.
biotic, abiotic.
Yes, ma'am, biotic.
Sometimes it changes. I'll have to speak to her. Ma'am से बात करूँ. Because I've already done the changes now. I've already done the changes. Actually 36. Otherwise they'll be handwriting cheaper. चलो मैं बात करूँ. ये तो मैं कर दूँगी. Yes, beta. Biotic and abiotic. Tell me some components, abiotic components of an ecosystem. नाम बताओ जल्दी जल्दी. Abiotic components.
Ma'am,
Temperature, water, light. Temperature, water, light.
Temperature, water, light. Very good. And what would be the biotic components then? These are abiotic, my child. What are the biotic components? We have three kinds of biotic components: producers, consumers, and decomposers. I hope everybody knows what are producers. Tell me what are producers? What are producers?
Green plants.
Green plants are producers. Yes or no, beta ji?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. And what are consumers? Yes. Who will you put in the category of consumers? Tell me. Autotrophs, heterotrophs.
Heterotrophs.
Hmm?
Heterotrophs.
Very well. And what are decomposers?
Saprophytes.
Yes. Beta, देखो, this year is again looking to be a tough year, my child. But remember, ये 11th नहीं है, ये 12th है. So please don't take your things leniently. Don't carry on fully with these things. क्योंकि जब तक आपके बोर्ड एग्जाम का टाइम आएगा, for sure ऑफलाइन होना ही होना. ठीक है? तब तक तो आई सपोज सबका वैक्सीनेशन बताएगा. Everybody, including children. So please don't take things lightly कि online हो गया कुछ नहीं. For God's sake, ऐसा मत करिए. If you don't have books or something, please post a personal message to me. I'll send you the notes of the chapter. But please study. Am I okay? चलिए जल्दी से पढ़ते हैं. Who gave the term ecosystem? बोलिए जल्दी जल्दी. Who gave the term ecosystem? The term ecosystem.
A.G. Tinsley.
Please speak. Which year?
1935.
1935.
Which year was? We have two major categories of ecosystem: natural and
Artificial.
artificial. Very good. Natural ecosystem, again we have two components, biotic and yes, biotic and tell me the two
Biotic.
components
Abiotic.
of natural ecosystem.
Biotic.
Biotic and
Biotic
abiotic.
and abiotic. Very quick revision we are doing. You only give me the abiotic factors. You tell me again. One was temperature. Which were the other ones?
Light. Water.
Light.
Very good. Very good. The biotic components again into three categories: producers. Next one.
Consumers
Consumers and
and
decomposers.
decomposers.
Very good, very good. Now let's talk about the structure and functions of ecosystem. The next heading would be structure and function of ecosystem. Just put the heading quickly. It's a very easy chapter. Structure and function of ecosystem. Two structural हाँ जी बेटा, सॉरी फॉर द इंटरप्शन. वो क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? टेल मी हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं इसको? सॉरी फॉर द इंटरप्शन. क्या बोलते हैं
रुकावट
हिंदी
के
में?
लिए.
हाँ, तो स्कूल में बहुत रुकावट आ जाता है कई बार. somebody comes and रुकावट के लिए खेद हो जाता है. So what were we discussing? Structure and
Function of ecosystem.
so first I will be discussing the structural features of an ecosystem. What features are we discussing first, children? Tell me very quickly which features? Structural features. बोलिए बेटा, breakfast नहीं किया. बोलिए मेरे साथ. Which features are we going to discuss about the ecosystem now?
Structural features.
Which features?
Structural feature.
Structural features. Please put on the heading. We have two main structural features of an ecosystem. Number one is species composition. Which is the first one? Tell me very quickly. जल्दी से बोलिए.
Species composition.
Very good. And the second is stratification. क्या होते हैं दोनों? I'll explain it to you. But you tell me the names first. What are the two structural components of the ecosystem? One is species composition and the second is stratification. अब आप बताइए. Tell me the two structural features of the ecosystem.
Species composition and
Species composition and stratification.
When I say species, I mean plants and animals. So species composition का मतलब identification of plants and animals in that particular ecosystem is what we call as species composition. मतलब कौन से species compose करते हैं इस ecosystem को. So when I say species composition, I mean identification of plant species and animal species. चलिए बताइए the structural feature of an ecosystem. First structural
Species
feature.
Species composition.
Very good. Only boys are speaking. And when I say species composition, what does it mean?
Identification of plant and animals.
Yes, very good. Now we come to stratification. Stratification से geography में पढ़ा होगा. Stratification means one over the other. Stratified rocks. कभी याद हो थोड़ा बहुत 7th 8th में पढ़ा था. Stratification means layering process. एक के ऊपर एक. Now what do we do in stratification? Ecosystem में जितने भी species हैं बेटा, उनको एक vertical level पे arrange करते हैं. Highest, फिर बीच वाला, फिर lowest. इसको हम बोलते हैं stratification. For example, let us talk about a forest. सबसे बड़े बड़े जो plants हैं, उनको क्या बोलते हैं in a forest? Tell me. Trees. What do we call them?
Trees.
सबसे बड़े प्लांट्स फॉरेस्ट के अंदर ट्रीज बोलते हैं नहीं बोलते हैं ट्रीज
Yes.
यस
Yes,
और
ma'am.
नो
Yes, ma'am.
ओके ट्रीज से छोटे वाले कौन से हैं
Sure. Herbs.
ट्रीज से छोटे
Herbs.
Ma'am, shrubs.
श्रब्स
Shrubs.
ट्रीज से छोटे श्रब्स श्रब्स से छोटे
Herbs.
वेरी गुड श्रब से छोटे हर्ब्स एंड हर्ब्स के भी नीचे से बहुत छोटे कैनोपी के नीचे ग्रो अंडरग्रोथ और ग्रासेस व्हाट आर दे कॉल्ड अंडरग्रोथ और ग्रासेस
Grasses.
जो सबसे नीचे सबसे छोटे सबसे नीचे अंडरग्रोथ और ग्रासेस अंडरग्रोथ कैनोपी के नीचे वाले जो छोटे छोटे प्लांट्स होते हैं सो व्हाट इज स्ट्रैटिफिकेशन लिसन केयरफुली the vertical arrangement of different species in an ecosystem is called stratification. You'll give an example of stratification in a forest. The highest level in a forest stratification is what, beta?
Trees.
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 Next is
Shrubs.
after trees.
Shrubs.
And speak loudly. Shrubs. After shrubs,
Herbs.
Herb.
and then सबसे नीचे grasses. Basically
grasses.
grasses or undergrowth. So what are the two structural features of an ecosystem? Which was the first one?
Species
Species
composition
composition.
and stratification.
Species composition. Very good. And second is
Stratification.
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 Species composition में identification of what? जल्दी से बताइए. Species composition में हम किसको identify करते हैं? कौन सी
Plants
species?
and animals.
Plants and animals.
And stratification में हम किसको arrange करते हैं? Hierarchy order में ऊपर से नीचे तक arrange करते हैं in different levels. Arranging different species in different levels in an ecosystem. Tell me सबसे ऊपर कौन?
Some trees.
सबसे ऊपर forest में
Forest. Trees.
Trees.
tree. Trees के बाद
Shrubs.
Herbs.
very good.
Shrubs.
Trees के बाद yes next
Shrubs.
Herbs.
Herbs.
yes very good and सबसे नीचे
Then grasses.
Grasses. And
excellent beta one more thing you people have been messaging me ki add me in so and so group add me in so and so group so let me tell you children only the class teachers are admin in the groups only class teachers and I was your class teacher when you were in class 11th fine now your class teacher is Anurag Chitra sir class 12th B who is the class teacher Anurag Chitra sir physics sir and 12th is Danish sir ठीक है बच्चा so if anybody has to be added in this biology group or any other matters related to class teachers you need to contact Anurag sir for this I was your class teacher in class 11th अब जो बच्चे 10th वाले 11th में आएंगे then I will become their class teacher in July as of now I am not the class teacher but anyways if you need any personal help you can message me I'll speak to the concerned teacher चलिए let's talk about the pond ecosystem next heading pond ecosystem जल्दी से heading डालिए pond ecosystem just like the key word for pond ecosystem it is self-sustainable please write down this word in front of pond ecosystem self-sustainable इसका मतलब क्या होता है बताइए जल्दी बताइए what is a pond बहुत बड़ा पानी का बॉडी है ये बहुत छोटा होता है पॉन्ड कैसा होता है बहुत बड़ा या छोटा
छोटा होता है.
beta pond is which kind of an ecosystem it's a smaller ecosystem but it's a huge ecosystem pond tell me pond is which kind of an ecosystem ocean sea की तरह बड़ा होता है क्या pond
Ma'am, small. Ma'am,
A
small.
small water body.
होता है टेल मी पॉन्ड छोटा होता है बड़ा होता है छोटा होता है
छोटा।
मैं पॉन्ड इकोसिस्टम को एक्सप्लेन इट टू यू कि छोटे से छोटे इकोसिस्टम में भी सारे कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं जो हमने ऊपर पढ़े एग्जैक्टली कंपोनेंट्स लाइक स्पीशीज कंपोजिशन स्ट्रैटिफिकेशन दिस विल आल्सो बी फाउंड इन अ स्मॉल इकोसिस्टम लाइक पॉन्ड दैट इज व्हाई वी कॉल इट सेल्फ सस्टेनिंग इकोसिस्टम आप जाते हो क्या पॉन्ड के फिशेस को खाना खिलाने के लिए, शौक के लिए आप जाते हैं, बट डू दे डाई इफ यू डोंट हेल्प देम? टेल मी, if we don't go and feed the fishes in the pond, will the fishes survive or they'll not be able to survive?
And they are able
They
to
will
survive.
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 There you go. That means they are self-sustainable. What are they? Tell me, use the word again. What is the word that I use?
Self-sustainable.
Self-sustainable.
अपने दम पे जिंदा रह सकते हैं. पूरा इकोसिस्टम इस तरह से है कि you have plants, you got herbivores, you got carnivores, you got decomposers. Proper self-sustainable ecosystem है. You do not need to feed that ecosystem. So why we taken up a pond ecosystem? Just to explain it to you, that it's a small ecosystem, but we will get all the functional features in this ecosystem. Is vital.
Ma'am, your voice is lagging.
Pond का water. पहले हम एबायोटिक कंपोनेंट की बात करते हैं. दिस इकोसिस्टम, सी बेटा, वाटर, मिनरल्स, न्यूट्रिएंट्स, listen better. Let us talk about abiotic components. Which components am I talking about? Abiotic. Tell me, what are the abiotic things you will find in a pond? I'm giving you a clue. One is water. Now you tell me the next ones. Water, minerals, clay, all these are which components?
Abiotic component.
Yes, Peter. Yes, Peter. A lot of signalations in the school data. So, good children. जल्दी से बताइए, which are the abiotic components of a pond ecosystem? Abiotic components of a pond ecosystem. कौन से होते हैं? Temperature, water,
Temperature,
salt,
water.
orbital. And बेटा बायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स कौन से होते हैं पॉन्ड में, वो भी बताइए. बायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ द पॉन्ड.
Fishes.
Fishes. हाँ बताओ जल्दी. बायोटिक कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ अ पॉन्ड. जी बेटा.
Seaweeds.
Plants.
Yes. अच्छा ये बताइए, do we have producers in our pond? Do we have producers in a pond or not? Green plants होते हैं pond में, नहीं होते?
होते हैं.
होते हैं ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Pond producers होते हैं. Do we have consumers in a pond? होते हैं या नहीं होते?
Yes, ma'am.
होते हैं. Do we have decomposers in a pond? Tell me, do we have decomposers in a pond or not? बेटा बैक्टीरिया होते हैं नहीं होते हैं पॉन्ड के अंदर?
Yes.
होते हैं बैक्टीरिया. पॉन्ड वाटर में बैक्टीरिया होते हैं नहीं होते हैं? होते हैं. So pond is the best example of an ecosystem. If in exam it comes, justify that ecosystem is a sustainable unit, self-sustainable unit. So always give example of a pond. Pond contains all the structural components. It has the species composition. It has got different species of plants. It has got different species of animals. It has got stratification. Small fishes, big fishes, green plants, herbivores, carnivores, decomposers, everything is present in a pond. Even the non-biotic components like water, mineral, salts, small stones, everything is present in a pond. That is why pond is called as which kind of a unit? I gave you a word in the beginning. Tell me very quickly. What was the word?
Self-sustainable.
Self-sustainable.
Too good. Now we'll move on to the next heading, productivity. Please write the heading productivity. Productivity. Write quickly. Should we start? Now imagine your garden. Garden, park, कोई भी चीज imagine कर लीजिए सब. कर लिया? यहाँ भी करना है. पर यूनिट एरिया कोई भी एक एरिया फिक्स कर लीजिए एंड एक टाइम फिक्स कर लीजिए. पर यूनिट एरिया, पर यूनिट टाइम. क्या फिक्स करा टाइम बताइए. लेट अस फिक्स वन टाइम ऑल ऑफ अस टुगेदर. वी आर गोइंग टू वॉच अ प्लांट एरिया. इट कुड बी अ गार्डन, इट कुड बी अ स्कूल पार्क. सो पर यूनिट एरिया मतलब हमने 1 by 1 सेंटीमीटर का एरिया ले लिया एंड पर यूनिट टाइम. पर यूनिट टाइम Yes, I was telling you per unit time, per unit area. जल्दी से learn करिए ये words. Tell me what are the two keywords when you define productivity? Tell me very quickly.
Per unit time.
Per unit time, per unit area.
The rate of synthesis of organic matter. ध्यान से सुनना. The rate of synthesis of organic matter. Synthesis means production. किस स्पीड से फूड प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, ऑर्गेनिक मैटर प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है. The rate of synthesis of organic matter per unit area, per unit time is called productivity at each trophic level. At each trophic level is what we call as productivity. चलिए, let us all define productivity. Remember, there are three parts of the definition. ध्यान से सुनिए. First is the rate of synthesis of organic matter. बोलिए जल्दी से, which is the first part of the definition of productivity? Speak.
The rate of synthesis of organic matter.
Yes. Per unit area, per unit time. Which is the second part?
Per unit
बोलो
area
बच्चे.
and per unit time.
At every trophic level is called productivity. मतलब how much energy is being produced at the producer level? How much energy is being produced at the herbivore level? How much energy is being produced at the carnivore level? So at each level, कितना organic matter, कितना energy produce हो रहा है, per unit area, per unit time is what we call as productivity. Let me see who can combine all the three things and give me the definition of productivity. बताइए जल्दी से. Let me see. चलिए जल्दी से. Tell me.
The rate of synthesis of organic matter per unit area and per unit time at each trophic level.
Very good. This is called what, beta? This is
Productivity.
the definition of productivity. Actually, level wise बात करते हैं. सबसे पहले producer level आता है. This is called primary productivity. What is this category called as? जल्दी बताइए. जल्दी. Primary productivity.
Primary productivity.
Same definition ले लो. Okay, same definition. Please speak the definition again. Just now you spoke. थोड़ा धीरे धीरे बोलिएगा बेटा. Speak the definition again. Speak slowly. Speak the definition.
The
Just now
rate
you
of
spoke.
synthesis of organic
Rate of synthesis of
matter.
organic. बेटा अभी यहाँ पे रुक जाए. ठीक है. इसमें बस ऐड कर दो by producers, autotrophs, green plants. ठीक है. Rest the definition is going to remain the same. The rate of synthesis of organic matter produced by green plants per unit area, per unit time. At a which trophic level? We already talked which level? We are talking about the producer level. This is called primary productivity. What is it called as primary productivity? who will define primary productivity? सिर्फ उसमें वो ऐड कर दीजिए at producer level बस. Tell me what is primary productivity? Tell me very quickly. Who will define primary productivity? You want me to tell you once again? Or you would try? Will you try or should I speak? Chaliye, I'll speak. The amount of organic matter produced at the producer level. At which level? Producer level. Per unit area, per unit time is what we call as primary productivity. Now tell me who will define primary productivity? Nobody can define primary productivity. बोलो बच्चा, try करो. I'll help you define primary productivity.
Ma'am, may
Come
I?
on, please start. हाँ बेटा, please speak out. What is primary productivity?
The amount of organic matter produced at productive
Actually, today we have practical exam in the school. No, today we have got chemistry practical, we've got economics practical. So we've got external examiners in the school, beta. That is why it's a little hectic today. Anji, you were defining very good. Bolo bachi, jaldi batao. What is primary productivity?
Then organic
Who is
matter
defining?
produced at producer level.
Very
the
good.
amount of organic
अब
matter
अगला
produced at productive level per unit area per unit time by plant.
Yes. Very good. Now the next term is GPP, gross primary productivity. Beta इसमें numericals भी आते हैं, so be very careful. GPP, gross primary productivity. What is the full form of GPP?
Gross primary
Gross
productivity.
primary productivity.
देखो बेटा, green plants ने photosynthesis किया, तो total amount of organic matter जो बना after photosynthesis, that is called gross primary productivity. इसमें से थोड़ा सा matter plants use कर लेते हैं for respiration. The energy which is produced, that is some amount of it, some is used for what by the plants? It is used for respiration. तो जो total produce हुआ, that is what we call as GPP. What is the full form of GPP?
Gross primary producers.
बोले बच्चे, what is the full form of GPP? What is the full form of GPP? What does G
primary
stand for?
productivity.
Then gross primary product.
बहुत बढ़िया. Gross primary.
Productivity.
Yes. The rate of production of what? The rate of production of what, beta? Organic at photosynthesis level is what we call as primary productivity. What is it called?
Primary productivity.
बेटा ये कहाँ पे यूज होता है? किस चीज के लिए प्लांट्स यूज करते हैं इसको?
Production of organic matter during photosynthesis.
Yes. And जो एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होती है उसमें बहुत सारी एनर्जी जो है, it is used for what? It is used for respiration by the plants. अब ये बताइए बच्चों जल्दी से, ठीक है, कि अगर हम लोग इसमें से थोड़ी सी एनर्जी यूज कर लेंगे जीपीपी में से, तो कम बचेगी कि ज्यादा बचेगी?
कम।
कम
जी,
बचेगी।
कम बचेगी। तो वो जो बचती है ना माइनस करके, दैट इज कॉल्ड एनपीपी, नेट प्राइमरी प्रोडक्ट। सपोजिंग ये ग्रीन प्लांट ने 100 अमाउंट प्रोड्यूस किया, वो हो गया उसका जीपीपी। उसमें से 20 जूल्स किलो जूल्स उसने यूज कर लिया फॉर रेस्पिरेशन, तो उसको माइनस कर दी। तो जो बचा उसको हम बोलते हैं एनपीपी। व्हाट इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ एनपीपी?
नेट प्राइमरी प्रोडक्टिविटी।
नेट प्राइमरी प्रोडक्ट। तो कौन सी वैल्यू ज्यादा होती है? नेट एनपीपी ज्यादा होती है कि जीपीपी ज्यादा होती है?
जीपीपी।
जीपीपी।
हाँ जी, जीपीपी ज्यादा होती है कि
जीपीपी।
एनपीपी ज्यादा होती है?
जीपीपी।
तो फॉर्मूला क्या बनेगा? फॉर्मूला क्या बनेगा बेटा? यूज एनर्जी, कितनी एनर्जी यूज हुई?
जीपीपी
कैसे पता
माइनस
चलेगा?
रेस्पिरेशन लूजेस।
जीपीपी
Very
इक्वल
good.
टू एनपीपी प्लस एनर्जी यूज्ड।
Yes, excellent, excellent. So GPP minus R is equal to NPP. Formula लिखिए please. GPP minus R is equal to NPP. What is R? Respiration loss.
रेस्पिरेशन लॉस।
What is R? Respiration loss. जो लॉस हो गया, जो माइनस हो गया, जो नुकसान हो गया रेस्पिरेशन